Stand by all stations, stand by all stations, stand by for the DX1CC Evening Net. This is Delta Victor 1 Romeo Mike Charlie Richard, transmitting from Largo in Quezon City, your net control station for this evening. And to start with, I'm opening the net with a prayer. Dear Dead Father, we ask now as called to you, receive this our prayer. Teach us to listen to your word. Keep us in tune with your will. Grant us the capacity to obey your commandments. Help us to resist evil and the signals of Satan. Communicate to all on the earthly world the joy of Christian fellowship. Transmit to the hearts of all those who would hear the comfort and strength of your almighty power through Jesus Christ, your Son, and our Lord and Savior. Amen. Good evening, fellow hams. Today is September 14, 2024, and it's Saturday night here in the Philippines. This is Delta Victor 1 Romeo Mike Charlie Richard, transmitting from Radro in Quezon City, and welcome to the DX1CC Evening Net. The Capcom Amateur Radio and Emergency Rescue Group was incorporated on October 15, 2021, duly registered with the Securities and Exchange Commission, duly licensed by the National Telecommunications Commission, and was given the calls of X1CC. Also, an accredited member of Philippine Amateur Radio Association. The primary purpose of this net is to practice emergency ham radio operations, test ham radio equipment and applications, as well as provide the opportunity for club members and other licensed hams to share amateur radio news, information, and activities. The X1CC conducts its evening net every Tuesdays, Thursdays, Saturdays, and Sundays at 8 to 9 in the evening on frequency 14.78. You may also join through the following nodes, channels, and reflectors on All-Star Link node 555-340 and 57031, DB6 node 557782, Echolink at DX1CC-L, DX1CC-R, and DW1OTT-L. Also, we have on DMR talk group on TGIF 4107 and 51507, Free Talk Crew 51507, YSF DX1CC 04107, and on PNet category PH room DMR 4107, F17-KPH module Sulu, and on Hamshakat line 94174. The X1CC net call is also heard on the Kapihan Network, Sepan Amateur Radio Club, Freedom Filipino Network, DX1 Echo, DX8 Hotel, DX1 KPH, and many more. For more information, please visit our website at dx1cc.org or our FB group page. Just search for DX1CC. Before we start the net, we will call for any emergency, priority, or medical traffic by which the group can be of assistance. Please call net control. Second call for any emergency, priority, or medical traffic, the X1CC, please secure set. Right, nothing emergency, priority, or medical traffic can break in any time during the net. Net control will stop the net so the group can provide assistance. Any announcement from the club president, club officers, chairman of any committee from the NTC or PARA or other local amateur clubs. This is DB1RMC for X1CC listening. Again, any announcement from the club president, club officers, chairman of any committee from the NTC or PARA or other local amateur clubs. DB1RMC listening. Okay, nothing heard. Please be advised that this is a supervised net call and all calls must pass through the net control. Please don't transmit unless the net control instructs you to transmit. To accommodate all stations and alleviate station file-ups, the net is divided into segments. And there's first, stations outside the Philippines. Second, stations from District 1 in the Philippines. Third, stations from District 2 in the Philippines. Fourth, stations from District 3 in the Philippines. Fifth, stations from District 4, 5, 6, and 7 in the Philippines. And lastly, stations from District 8 and 9 in the Philippines. The X1CC members and honorary members and wireless stations can check in anytime at any segment. Towards the end of the net, when there are few stations check in, the net control will call stations from anywhere in any mode. All stations are requested to give your complete amateur call sign, designated prefix, district number, and suffix phonetically and slowly. And please state if check-in, check-out to expedite your check-in. Please give 2 to 3 seconds gap before transmit to allow other stations from our RF and to join the net. I'm now calling stations outside the Philippines. The X1CC members, honorary members, and wireless stations can check in anytime. Please set DB1RMC for the DX1CC evening net standing by.
Check-in, check-out. November 6, Bravo Oscar Yankee, check-in, check-out.
For Hotel 1, Romeo Victor, Quebec. For Hotel 1, Romeo Victor, Quebec. DX1CC, check-in, check-out.
For Hotel 1, Oscar, Sierra November. For Hotel 1, Oscar, Sierra November. Check in, check out. The X1CC. Good evening.
Hotel 1, Quebec Mike Yankee. For Hotel 1, Quebec Mike Yankee. Check in, check out. Good evening. Using RF. It will be Vice Richard.
Kilo Charlie 1, Juliet Foxtrot November. Kilo Charlie 1, Juliet Foxtrot November.
Alpha Foxtrot 6, Papa Foxtrot, Alpha Foxtrot 6, Papa Foxtrot, DX1CC.
Kilo 1, Kilo.
Hotel Zulu, stroke for Golf 1, Alpha Kilo Foxtrot. Hotel Zulu, stroke for Golf 1, Alpha Kilo Foxtrot. 73, check-in, check-out.
Kilo Hotel 7.
Check-in, check-out.
Kilo Hotel 7, Lima Echo Mobile, checking in.
November 6, Bravo Echo, November, and 6 p.m.
For Hotel 1, Foxtrot, Quebec, Papa. For Hotel 1, Foxtrot, Quebec, Papa.
Victor Echo 4 Papa Delta Delta VE4 PDD.
N6 review.
Okay, all stations, please stand by. All stations, please. 14 stations. And I copy 1 mobile stations and 6 stations for check-in, check-out, and the others for regular check-in. So all stations, please stand by. Let me call first the mobile stations. Kilo Hotel 7, Mobile Billy, welcome to our group the evening net call. Please go ahead.
Ayun, kala ko hindi mo ko nakakopya. Kakasabay-sabay. Magandang gabi sa iyo dyan, mga Richard. At magandang gabi, Tita Tina. Magandang gabi sa lahat ng officer and member ng DX1CC. At magandang gabi rin sa lahat dyan sa DO-Land. Magandang umaga dito sa US and Canada. No traffic, just supporting the Station of Kilo Hotel 7, Lima Echo, transmitting from Mullenville, Kansas. Back to you, Net Control.
Roger that, VD. Thank you very much for checking in and for supporting our net safe track, okay? And we Ayun again, one of our honorary members and part of Kensington Sheriff Foxtrot on mobile, Kilo Hotel 7, Lima Echo, is now lying to the 7-3. So I would like to acknowledge first the 6 stations for check-in, check-out. First is station of November 6, Bravo Oscar CC at Tito Boy, followed by 4 Hotel 1 Oscar Sierra November of the DX1CC, Alban Frederick, and the station of 4 Hotel 1 Romeo Victor Quebec, DX1CC, Kuya Andy, station of 4 Hotel 1 Quebec Mike Yankee, si Kuya Randolph of DX1CC, the station of Hotel Zulu slash 4 Golf 1 Alpha Kilo Foxtrot, si Kuya Roland, and the last one is the station of Tita Frida, Whiskey Bravo 6 Foxtrot Bravo. Hello there, Tita Frida. So thank you very much to all of you for checking in and for supporting our evening net. Ingat lang kayo palagi, stations are now logging clear the 7-3. So, copy the following station, Kilo Charlie 1 Juliet Foxtrot November, Alpha Foxtrot 6 Papa Foxtrot, Delta Zulu 1 Kilo, November 6 Bravo Echo November, 4 Hotel 1 Foxtrot Quebec Papa, Victor Echo 4 Papa Delta Delta, November 6 Victor Victor Yankee, and lastly the station of some of the X1CC, 4 Hotel Foxtrot Wolf. Okay, with your indulgence, I would like to call first the station of Tina, 4 Hotel 1 Foxtrot Quebec Papa of X1CC. Tina, magandang gabi dyan sa kabilang bahay. Welcome to our group sa Evening Net. Please go ahead.
Yes, good evening. Delta Victor 1, Romeo Mike Charlie, 4 Hotel 1, Foxtrot Quebec Papa, just joining our group's Evening Net. No traffic, 7-3. And 88. Thank you.
Ay, ayun, yan, tama yung ganyang sinabi ko sa'yo, ganun kalayo. Sa microphone, sakto lang. Anyway, Tina, thank you very much for checking, for supporting our group sa Evening Net call. So, see you tomorrow, okay? So, ingat kayo bukas, okay? So, again, that was the station of 4 Hotel 1 Foxtrot Quebec Papa of the X1CC, also one of our net control station, calling from Malagro in Quezon City. Okay, your station is now logging clear the 7-3. So, moving on to the station of Kuya Anthony, Kilo Charlie 1 Juliet Foxtrot November. Welcome to the X1CC Evening Net call. Please go ahead.
Gabi dyan, Richard. Magandang gabi sa Pinas. Magandang umaga, North America. Morning, Pogi Forever, Leo. Kilo Charlie 1 Juliet Foxtrot November. Checking in. Wala pong traffic. 7-3. Halong-halong. Madamong salamat.
Roger that. Madamo gida salamat kay Anthony for checking in and for regularly supporting our net. So ingat lang dyan. Kilo Charlie 1 Juliet Foxtrot November of DX1 Lima for Inca West 7 Connecticut is not logging clear 7-3. Alpha Foxtrot 6 Papa Foxtrot Tito Pogi, magandang umaga po dyan. Welcome to our group's Evening Network. Please go ahead.
Magandang umaga, Vice Richard. Magandang gabi DX1CC family. Magandang gabi kay Pres Edpel at sa lahat nakikinig. Magandang umaga kay KC1JPN at kay Anthony. Kag sa lahat. Alpha Foxtrot 6, Papa Foxtrot, Leo transmitting from Los Angeles, California. Checking in and supporting our DX1CC net. Marami pong salamat. Mabuhay. God bless. And 73 all around. Alpha Foxtrot 6. Pogi Forever. Back to you, Vice Richard. Salamat po. And ingat-ingat.
Roger that, Tito Pogi. Likewise po, maraming salamat po. At ingat-ingat po kayo palagi ni Rosa. Please give my regards, okay? And thank you very much for checking in and supporting our net. Again, one of our honorary members, also part of the X1 Lima, calling from Los Angeles in California. That was Alpha Foxtrot 6 Papa Foxtrot. Your station, Tito Pogi, is now logging clear the 7-3. Take call the station of Clarence of the X1CC, Delta Zulu 1 Kilo. Please welcome to our group sa Evening Net call.
RMC to Richard. Magandang gabi po, magandang gabi sa lahat. Delta Zulu 1 Kilo, si Clarence po. Transmitting from Cavite City, just joining and supporting the net. No traffic, 73, back to you to Richard. Good evening po.
Roger that. Maraming salamat, Clarence, for tuning in and for supporting our net. At ingat lang dyan. And likewise, good evening. Delta Zulu 1 Kilo of DX1CC is now lagging clear the 7-3. Moving on to the station of Tito Ben, November 6 Bravo Echo November. Magandang gabi po dyan sa Paresno. Welcome to the DX1CC Evening Net.
DB1 RMC, November 6 Bravo Echo November Viking. Maraming salamat Richard at bati-bati sa lahat. Magandang gabi. Magandang umaga naman dito. No traffic, just checking in, supporting the net. And 6 Bravo Echo November, Fresno, California.
Roger. Ayun, maraming salamat Tito Ben for checking in and for supporting our net. At ingat po dyan, enjoy biking, okay? So, your station on November 6 Bravo Echo November of Freedom Filipino Network of Paresno in California. Biking, mobile biking is now lying to the 7-3. Alright, moving on to the station of Tito Ding, Victor Echo Papa Delta Delta. Magandang umaga po dyan sa Winnipeg. Welcome to the DX1C Evening Net Call. Please go ahead.
Salamat, Tito Richard. Magandang umaga. Gandang gabi, Diulan. Just supporting the net, no traffic. This is Victor Echo 4, Papa Delta Delta. Ding Delta, India, November Golf, transmitting Winnipeg, Friendly, Manitoba, Canada. 73, mabuhay.
Roger that. Maraming salamat po, Tito Ding, for checking in and for supporting our net. And please say hi to Tita Patty, okay? So, station Victor Echo for Papa Delta Delta, calling from Friendly, Manitoba in Canada, is now lying to the 7-3. Okay, calling the station of another Tito Ben, November 6 Victor Yankee. Welcome to the DX1CC Evening Net Call. Magandang umaga po dyan.
Magandang gabi dyan, Richard. I think so. Kagigising. Walang traffic. Checking in. Supporting the N6 BBY San Diego.
Roger that. Maraming salamat po, Tito Ben, for supporting the net. At ingat po kayo dyan and have a good day ahead, okay? So, your station November 6 of Victor Yankee of Villa Morris, calling from San Diego in California, is now lying to the 3. Alright, so calling the station of Sam of the X1CC 4 in the 1 Hotel Foxtrot Golf. Magandang gabi, Sam. Welcome to our group's Evening Net. Please go ahead.
Delta Victor 1, Romeo Mike, Magadangadi. Here is for it to be 1 Hotel Foxtrot Golf. Sam here in General Trias with a 5-9 copy. 7-3, Mabuhay. Over.
Roger that, Sam. Ako dun, loud and clear. The audio, 5-9 copy, likewise. And thanks for my 5-9. Thank you very much, Sam, for checking in and for supporting our net. Good evening sa inyo dyan ni Ate Nelia, okay? For the 1 Hotel Foxtrot Golf of the X1CC, calling from Barangay San Diego in General Trias, Cavite, is now lying near the 7-3. Okay, one station on my list of 4 Pax 1 Papa Uniform Sulu, one of our honorary members, Pres Oyo. Magandang gabi dyan sa inyo, Ate Rona, sa San Pablo. Welcome to our group's Evening Net Call, please.
DB1 RMC for Foxtrot 1, Papa Uniform Sulu. Richard, magandang gabi sa inyo dyan at magandang gabi sa buong tropa ng DX1CC. At alam ko live kayo ngayon, kaya shout out sa lahat ng members ng DX1 Echo na nandito sa Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao at nasa ibang bansa. Checking in. Maraming salamat. 73.
Roger, Roger. Ayun, maraming salamat Press Oyo for checking in and for supporting our net. At have a good night yan. At maya-maya pa maaga pa eh. No? So again, that was the station of Press Oyo, of the club president of DX1 Echo, also one of our honorary members. For Paxon Papa Uniform Sulu is now lagging cleared with DB1RMC 73. Alright, time check, 20 minutes after the hour. Second call for stations outside the Philippines. The X1CC members, honorary members, and wireless stations can check in anytime. This is DB1RMC, Net Control, standing by.
Delta Yankee 2 Lima Hotel Echo for the net. Delta Yankee 2 Lima Hotel Echo for the net. Good evening, Tito Richard.
Delta Whiskey 6 Whiskey Sierra Uniform. Delta Whiskey 6 Whiskey Sierra Uniform.
Beha.
Okay, so again, this Delta Vitro 1 Romeo Mike Charlie control copy 3 stations. Edwin, we turned all again sa copy your station of the X1CC DW1 Victor X-ray Echo. Standby. Copy 2 wireless stations. Jackie, hold on. Delta Yankee 2 Lima Hotel Echo. Ate Vivian, magandang gabi po dyan sa Tagudin. Welcome to the X1CC Evening Net Call. Please go ahead.
Yes, Tito Richard, good evening, good morning, good afternoon all around. Yes, this is Delta Yankee 2, Lima Hotel Echo, with the name Vivian, transmitting temporarily Baguio City with no traffic, just supporting the net. Back to you, Tito Richard, my 73s, God bless, mabuhay, happy Saturday po.
Roger that, Ate Vivian. Maraming salamat po likewise for checking in and for supporting our net. At ingat po palagi dyan, okay? And copy your station is still transmitting from Baguio City. Again, your station, Delta Yankee 2 Lima Hotel Echo is now lagging cleared at 73. Okay, Delta Whiskey 6 Whiskey Sierra Uniform. Jackie, magandang gabi sa Iloilo. Welcome to the DX1CC net.
Likewise po, Tito Richard, magandang gabi. At dito po ngayon sa Iloilo is malakas po yung hangin at paminsan-minsan may pagbugso ang pag-ulan. Anyway, please log my station, Delta Whiskey 6 Whiskey Sierra Uniform, and my name is Jacqueline from Iloilo. Just supporting the Evening Net, 73 po, mabuhay.
Roger, Jackie, maraming salamat for checking in and for supporting our net at ingat lang dyan in regards sa buong DX6 sa Papa Alpha Romeo, okay? So again, one of the net control station of DX6 sa Papa Alpha Romeo, calling from Iloilo, Whiskey 6 Whiskey Sierra Uniform is now lagging to the 73. Okay, last station on my list, Whiskey 3/4G1 ESC Noel. Welcome to the X1CC net, please go ahead.
DB1RMC, Whiskey 2/4G1 ESC. Likewise, Richard, good evening and regards to everyone supporting the Evening Net mula dito sa New Jersey via DV Switch. Thank you, 73.
Roger. Ayun, maraming salamat Noel for checking in and for supporting our net at ingat lang dyan palagi, okay? Whiskey 3/4G1 Echo Sierra Charlie of AMSAT Philippines, Monroeville, Pennsylvania, still line to 73. Kaya Edwin, pasensya na nalakto kita. Delta Whiskey 1 Victor X-ray Echo of the DX1CC. Welcome to our group's evening net. Please go ahead. Another call, Delta Whiskey Victor X-Ray Echo of the X1CC. Kuya Edwin, please go ahead. Welcome to our group's evening net.
Bill, check-in, good evening. Palag na lang po.
Roger, Roger. Okay, maraming salamat Kuya Edwin for checking in and for supporting our net at ingat lang dyan, okay? Again, pasensya na po. Okay, Q1 Victor X-Ray Echo of the X1CC is now lagging clear 73. Okay, last call for stations outside the Philippines. Last call stations from outside the Philippines. The X1CC members, honorary members, and wild stations can check in anytime. DB1 RMC, net control, standing by.
Victor Echo 6 Echo Golf Zulu V6EGZ.
For Golf 1 Golf Hotel Zulu.
For Golf
4
into 1
Foxtrot Zulu uniform.
For Golf
DX1CC.
1 Golf Hotel Yankee DX1CC.
Alright, all stations, please stand by. All stations, please stand by. This is Delta Victor 1, Rami Machal, net control. Copy the station of Tito Ernie, Kuya Derry, Kuya Louie, and Ray. So, first, Victor Echo 6 Echo Golf Zulu. Tito Ernie, magandang umaga po dyan sa Edmonton. Welcome to the X1CC Evening Net. Please go ahead.
Yeah, Richard, good evening naman sa iyo dyan. Good evening sa lahat sa Pilipinas. Yeah, ito, checking in lang tayo, supporting the TX1CC Evening Net. Buti, umabot ako sa segment. Yeah, medyo lumalamig na rito, 6 degrees Celsius. So back to you, Richard, DV1, RMC, V6EGZ Ernie, transmitting from Edmonton, Alberta, Canada.
Roger, just sana dito rin Tito Ernie palaging ganyan. Para kahit gaano kabigat ang trabaho, hindi mararamdaman masyado kasi malamig ang panahon. Anyway, Tito Ernie, maraming salamat po for checking in, for supporting our net. Mag-ingat din po kayo palagi dyan, and God bless. Alright? So, Victor Echo 6 Echo Golf Zulu, calling from Edmonton, Alberta in Canada, is now line 373. Okay, calling station na pa Kuya Derek of 4 Golf 1 Golf Hotel Zulu of the X1CC. Magandang gabi dyan. Welcome to our group's evening net. Please go ahead.
Good evening, Richard, 73s, and to all stations on monitor. We'll be on standby.
Roger that. Thank you, Kuya Derek, for checking in and for supporting our net and copy station on QRX. Alright, for G1 Golf Hotel Zulu of the X1CC is now line cleared 73. For Golf 1 Golf Hotel Yankee of the X1CC, Kuya Louie, magandang gabi dyan, and welcome to our group's evening net. Please go ahead.
Good evening, Richard, DB1 RMC, for Golf 1 Golf Hotel Yankee, returning the call. Sa lahat ng stasyon dito sa Pilipinas at sa ibayong dagat, supporting for tonight's net, weekend net. 73, maraming salamat for Golf 1 Golf Hotel Yankee. Will be clear. Back to you, Richard.
Roger that. Maraming salamat kay Louie for checking in and for supporting our net at ingat palagi dyan and copy your clearing out, okay? For Golf 1 Golf Hotel Yankee of the X1CC is now line cleared 73. For India 1 Foxtrot Zulu uniform of the X1CC, Ray, maganda gabi dyan sa inyo sa Navaliches. Welcome to our group's evening net. Please go ahead.
Delta Victor 1 Romeo Mike Charlie. Ayun, good evening BP Richard at good evening sa lahat. Good evening kay First Edfield at sa lahat ng DX1CC family. Good evening and good morning naman sa Bayong Dagat. Ayun, Station of 4 India 1 Foxtrot Zulu uniform Ray ng Nova. Checking in to our evening net No other traffic, mabuhay and 73. Salamat Vice sa pag-acknowledge ng aking station. Magandang gabi.
Roger that. Maraming salamat, Ray, for checking in and for supporting our net. Ingat yan and regards kay XYL, okay? 4 India 1 Foxtrot Zulu uniform of the X1CC calling from Navaliches is now line 7C. K1 station on my list. 4 Golf 1 uniform Delta Lima of the X1CC. Kuya Egay, magandang gabi din sa inyo sa Navarro. Welcome to our group sa evening net call. Please go ahead.
Yun, maraming salamat, Tito Richard. This 4 Golf 1 uniform Delta Lima, just checking in at always supporting our evening net call. Mabuhay ang DX1CC at mabuhay ka, aking kaibigan, Tito Richard. Bye-bye!
Roger that. Hindi ako nakaano kanina nadaanan ko yung live nyo kanina. Pero hindi ako at tinawag ako. Kaya again, maraming salamat likewise for checking in and for regularly supporting our yan and happy weekend, okay? For Golf 1 uniform Delta Lima of the X1CC calling from General Trias Cavite is now lagging to the 7-3. Okay, trying to call the station of Hernan. Yankee Delta 1/4G1 HOD, please go ahead. Are you on the frequency? Welcome to X1CC Net.
Terry Makasibanyak, Sir Vice Richard, Delta Victoria 1, Radio Mike Charlie for pulling out my station. This is Erman, QTH Jakarta, Indonesia, participating and supporting DX1CC. Mabuhay! Once again, for Golf 1 Hotel Oscar Delta, Portable, Jakarta, Indonesia. Back to you, Sir Richard. Over.
Okay, maraming salamat Hernan for checking in and for supporting our net at ingat lang dyan sa Jakarta, okay? So station Yankee Delta /4 Golf 1 Hotel Oscar Delta on portables now lagging through the 7-3. Okay, all stations please stand by. We will call the X1CC members only on RF. Again, we will call the X1CC members only on RF. Yung mga naka-DB seats po, stand by. Okay, so please come now, the X1CC members on RF, DB1RMC, net control standby.
Delta Victor 1 Papa, check in, check out, good evening.
4 Golf 1, Romeo X-Ray Echo.
4 Golf 1, Foxtrot Sierra Juliet.
4I1 Oscar Alpha Delta, 4I1 Oscar Alpha Delta.
4 Golf 1, Golf November Lima. 4 Golf 1, Golf November Lima.
4 Hotel 1, Romeo X-Ray Delta. 4 Hotel 1, Romeo X-Ray Delta.
4 Hotel 1, Hotel Tango Echo. Good evening, Tito Richard.
Okay, all stations, please stand by. Ang tinatawag ko lang po, members X1CC nasa RF, nasa DB seat standby. Okay, so yung Hotel Tango Echo, nasa po tayo, the X1CC, nakikinig-kinig lang po tayo pag may pagkakataon. Okay, so I copy the station of Delta Victor 1 Papa, our club Vice President for Internal for check-out. That was BP Mako calling from Barangay or Tejero General Trias Cavite. BP Mako, thank you very much for checking in and for supporting our net, and happy weekend. Your station is still line 373. Okay, copy the following station. The X1CC members transmitting from RF. Okay, 4 Golf 1 RXE, 4G1 FSJ, 4G1 GNL, and 4H1 RXD. First, would like to call station create ID 4 Golf 1 Romeo XA Echo. Magandang gabi niyan sa inyo kay Ate Lorna. Welcome to our group's evening net.
Ayun na, Delta Victor 1 Romeo Mike Charlie for Golf 1 Romeo X-Ray Echo on RF. Magandang gabi, Vice Richard. Magandang gabi kay Ma'am Tina at saka kay Sid. Good evening, DXCC. At of course, sa RX Boys, kay Manny, Obert at saka kay Remy. Magandang gabi sa inyo. Joining the net with no traffic, 73 Delta Victor 1 Romeo Mike Charlie for the X1 CC net for Golf 1 Romeo X-Ray Echo. Salamat.
Sir Teddy, likewise, maraming salamat po for checking in and for supporting our net. Ingat po dyan. Your station of 4 Golf 1 Romeo X Echo, one of our net control station and calling from Dasmariñas, Cavite, now lagging to the 73. Alright, so 4 Golf 1, Foxtrot Sierra Juliet, John of the S1CC, please go ahead.
SL Delta Victor 1 Romeo Mike Charlie. Magandang gabi, Vice Richard. Magandang gabi sa lahat ng DX1CC. This is 4 Golf 1 Foxtrot Sierra Juliet dyan ng Imus, Cavite. Supporting the net, wala ng traffic 73.
Roger that. Maraming salamat, John, for checking in and for supporting our net dyan. 4 Golf 1 Foxtrot Sierra Juliet of DX1CC is now lying to the 73. For G1G and L, Edwin of DX1CC, magandang gabi dyan. Welcome to our group's evening net.
Good evening and thank you, Vice Richard, Delta Victor 1 Romeo Mike Charlie. Magandang gabi sa lahat ng station, especially sa mga DX1CC, DX1 Echo members, kina President Bill, Docoyo at iba pang station na nakaantabay. Good morning or good afternoon dyan sa ibayong dagat. 4 Golf 1 Golf November 5. Checking in and supporting this evening net, walang ibang traffic. 73 and God bless.
Okay, maraming salamat, Edwin, for checking in and supporting our net. Ingat lang dyan. Okay, for Golf November 5, DX1CC is now lying to 73. Okay, so let's move on for stations from District 1 in the Philippines. I got here the station of Jep and Kuya Obet of DX1CC. Please stand by. Any other stations calling in from District 1, please go ahead.
Romeo X-Ray Charlie for Hotel 1 Romeo X-Ray Charlie.
For Foxtrot 1 Tango United Bravo.
Victor Romeo 2 stroke Delta Victor 3 X-ray. Victor Romeo 2 stroke Delta Victor 3 X-ray. Check in, check out. Magandang gabi, Richard. Ayun.
Golf 1 Whiskey.
Okay, all stations, please stand by. All stations, please stand by. Acknowledge for the station of Beng for check-in, check-out. Victor Rami 2/DB3X. Thank you very much for checking in and for supporting our net. Your station is now lying to the 73. So additional station for Hotel 1 Romeo X Charlie, for Hotel 1 Hotel Tango Echo, for Pax 1 Tango Uniform Bravo, for H1 YQD, and the station of Father Tom for G1 Triple Whiskey Shot. So first, I would like to call the station of Jep from Bacoor, Cavite. Delta Zulu 1 Oscar of DX1CC. Jep, magandang gabi. Welcome to our group's evening net. Call please go ahead.
Good evening, Tito Richard, DB1 RMC. Good evening po sa inyo dyan, yung mga nakamonitor. And good morning, Delta Zulu 1 Oscar, also known as 4 India 1 Oscar Alpha Delta. Checking in, negative traffic, mabuhayin 73. Back to you, Tito Richard. Pasensya na at RF pala. Ayun. O sige. Maraming salamat at ingat tayo palagi.
Roger, Jeff. Okay lang, Jeff. At ingat sa lineup ko sa 1. Jeff, thank you very much for checking in and for supporting our net. At ingat lang dyan and have a good night. So, your station Delta Zulu 1 Oscar, also known for I1 Oscar Alpha Delta, si Jeff of the X1CC and calling from Bacoor, Cavite is now lagging to the 73. Okay, next station, for Hotel 1 Romeo X Delta, Kuya Obet of the X1CC. Magandang gabi dyan. Welcome to our group's evening net. Call please go ahead.
Delta Victor 1 Romeo Mike Charlie. Magandang gabi, Tito Richard. At magandang gabi kay Pres Edfield. At magandang gabi sa aking mga classmate, sa RX Boys, kay Teddy, kay Pang Remy, kay Paring Manny. At magandang gabi sa lahat ng station na kamonitor sa Pilipinas. At magandang umaga naman sa ibayong dagat. This is for Hotel 1 Romeo Excel Delta, just supporting our Saturday inning net call, may 73 mabuhay. At pasensya na rin po, Richard, RF para kanina, hindi ko masyadong naintindihan. Back to you, Tito Richard, maraming pong salamat.
Roger, okay lang kayo, Bet. Ayun, basta ano lang, after ng 3 tawag sa outside the Philippines, at nagtatawag tayo ng RF ng members, especially yung mga naka-portable natin na para madinig ka agad kasi hirap sila sumabay sa DB Suites eh. At anyway, Kuya Obet, maraming salamat for checking in and for supporting our net. At ingat lang palagi dyan. For Hotel 1, Romeo X Delta of the X1CC, calling from Imus, Cavite, is now line 373. Okay, moving on to the station of Kuya Remy for Hotel 1, Romeo X Charlie of the X1CC. Magandang gabi po dyan. Welcome to our group's evening net call. Please go ahead.
Salamat at magandang gabi sa iyo, Delta Victor 1, Romeo Mike Charlie, Vice Richard. Magandang gabi sa lahat ng station na ka-monitor dito sa atin sa Pilipinas. At magandang umaga sa ibayong dagat. At magandang gabi rin sa aking mga classmate, Alex Boy, si Teddy at si Obet at si Paring Manny. At magandang gabi sa lahat ng mga officers and members of the X1CC. This is for Hotel 1 Romeo X Charlie, Remy, transmitting here in Imus City, Cavite. Joining supporting the DX1CC evening net call, no further traffic 73. Balik sa'yo, Vice Richard. Maraming salamat.
QSL kay Remy, likewise po, maraming salamat for checking in and for regularly supporting our net. Ingat po dyan. Okay, for Hotel 1, Romeo X Charlie of the X1CC is now line to the 73. Okay, it's your turn, Kuya Bong. For Hotel 1, Hotel Tango Echo, kayo na po. Welcome to the X1CC evening net call. Please go ahead.
Good evening, Tito Richard. Wala naman ibang traffic. Karating ko lang nabuhay 73.
Roger that. Okay, maraming salamat Kuya Bong for checking in and for supporting our net. Pahinga ka muna dyan at kararating mo lang. So, have a good night, alright? For Hotel 1, Hotel Tango Echo, calling from Pasig City is now line 373. Another call for Pax 1 Tango Uniform Bravo. Kuya Romel, kayo na po.
Likewise, Charles, good evening. Naghang siguro internet ko. 4F1 Tango United Bravo. Bumabati na ng magandang gabi sa lahat. 73, God bless and mabuhay.
Balik-bati sa iyo, Kuya Romel. Likewise, maraming salamat for checking in and for supporting our net. Ingat dyan. For Pax 1 Tango Uniform Bravo, X1 Echo, Elite Hamster Club, Inc. Dyan sa Baco, Oriental Mindores, now line 373. For H1, Yankee, Quebec Delta, Jason, magandang gabi dyan sa Silang Cavite. Welcome to the X1CC net. Please go ahead.
Magandang gabi. Magandang gabi, Tito Richard. Magandang gabi pala. Magandang gabi po sa X1CC. Joining the net. Traffic. Makulang, mamawag at makapalang usog. Smog. 73 mabuhay po.
Roger. Huwag kang magpapahamog. Ayun. Maraming salamat, Jason, for checking in and so supporting our net. Station 4, Hotel 1, Yankee, Quebec Delta of the X1 EBM, Scan I, Silang Cavite is now line 373. 4G1 Triple Whiskey Shot. Father Tom, thank you for waiting. Welcome to our net. Please go ahead.
DB1 RMC, 4G1 WWW. Good evening po, Dr. Richard. Likewise, Dr. Alam's on monitor. This is 4 Gold 1 Whiskey, Father Tom, Class BT from Paranaque, joining supporting our group Saving Net, saying have a nice weekend, enjoy. Wala naman yatang ulan this weekend, kaya enjoy kayo lahat. And keep safe. Yun lang. DB1 RMC, 4DX1CC, 4 Gold 1, Triple Whiskey Shot, QRU 73 and mabuhay. God bless you.
Roger that, Father Tom. Father Tom, alam mo, dito sa Lagaro, hati yung ulan. Doon sa bahay namin ni Tina, hindi umuulan. Nandito ko ako sa mother ko ngayon. Umuulan kanina, malakas. Anyway, Father Tom, thank you very much for checking in and for supporting our net. Ingat lang palagi dyan. Okay? For G1 Triple Whiskey Shot of the X1CC is now lying clear to 7-3. Okay, call for stations from District 1 in the Philippines, the X1CC members, honorary members, and wild stations can check in anytime. This is DB1 RMC, Net Control, standing by.
4 Hotel 1, Foxtrot X-Ray Golf. 4 Hotel 1, Foxtrot X-Ray Golf.
Okay, nag-iisa lang. Solo ni Osbert. Osbert, magandang gabi dyan sa'yo sa 13 Mars. Go ahead. 4 Hotel 1, Foxtrot X-Ray Golf, DX1CC. Welcome to our group's evening net call. Please go ahead. Kamusta na?
Good evening, Tito Richard. Good evening sa lahat ng pamilya ng DX1 Charlie. Eto, Tito Richard, maayos naman, mabuti naman at medyo busy lang. Kauwi ko nga lang galing money market marami lang pinapagawa. Ay, 73 po, no further traffic at mabuhay tayo lahat, just supporting the net. Magandang gabi.
Roger that. 5-9 copy, Osbert, loud and clear ka, transmitting on RF. So, maraming salamat, Osbert, at chill ka lang dyan. Okay? For Hotel 1, Foxtrot X-Ray Golf of the X1CC, calling on Martires in Cavite is now line 7-3. Okay, last call for stations from District 1. Last call, stations from District 1 in the Philippines. The X1CC members and honorary members and wireless stations can check in anytime. This is DB1 RMC, Net Control, standing by.
Delta Yankee 3 X-Ray Golf Mike. Delta Yankee 3 X-Ray Golf Mike.
Copy the station. Ate Gwen, hold on. Any other stations from District 1, last call? Stations from District 1, last call. Please go ahead. Okay, nothing heard. After na Ate Gwen, pupunta na tayo ng District 2. So magandang gabi sa iyo dyan, Ate Gwen, sa Subic, Zambales. DYT X-Ray Golf Mike. Kamusta na? Long time no hear. Balita sa iyo.
Magandang gabi, Tito Richard. Busy-busy lang po dito. Maraming gawain. Just logging in for the evening net of Delta X-Ray 1, Charlie. My 73 is in. God bless everyone. Back to you, Tito Richard.
Okay, Sel. Ate Gwen, maraming salamat po for checking in and for supporting our net. Mag-ingat po kayo palagi, especially meron kang Civic Action group dyan sa inyo. Okay, so again, Delta Yankee 3, X-Ray Golf Mike, DX3L calling from Subic, Zambales, na laging 1073. Alright, so moving on to the station from District 2 in the Philippines. I'm calling stations from District 2 in the Philippines, DB1 RMC, Net Control, standing by.
Delta Whiskey 2, Hotel Alpha Delta, Delta Whiskey 2, Hotel Alpha Delta.
Golf Alpha Victor.
Delta Victor 2, Hotel Echo Romeo. Delta Victor 2, Hotel Echo Romeo.
Delta
India 2,
Victor 2
Bravo,
Alpha
Oscar,
Delta
Bravo.
Romeo out 2 Alpha Delta Romeo, check in, check out.
Delta Whiskey 2 Kilo Foxtrot Uniform, Delta Whiskey 2 Kilo Foxtrot Uniform, check in, check out. Good evening.
Bravo Romeo uniform 4F2 BRU, check in, check out. Good evening, Richard.
Right, all stations, please stand by. DB1 RMC Net Control, acknowledge first the following stations for check-in, check-out. First is this Delta Victor 2 Alpha Delta Romeo, si Manong Rex, followed by Delta Whiskey 2 Kilo Foxtrot Uniform, si Manong Jonathan, and of course, the station of Manong Roger. Magandang gabi po, likewise din Manong Roger, for Pastor Bravo Romeo Uniform. So, maraming salamat po for checking in and for supporting our evening net. Ingat palagi, your stations are not lagging clear na 7-3. Okay, copy the following station. First, the station of Manong Herman, Manong Larry, Press Blair, and si Kuya Bong. Hold on. DW2HAD, Manong Herman, magandang gabi po dyan sa La Union. Welcome to the DX1 CCNet.
QSL, magandang gabi, control. So, bumabati sa lahat ng nakamonitor around the world. Wala namang further traffic. Just supporting the X1CC. So maraming salamat at ingat-ingat. DB1 RMC, this is the station of Delta Whiskey 2 Hotel Alpha Delta 7-3 and mabuhay.
Okay, sir, maraming salamat po Manong Herman for checking in and for supporting our net. Ingat po dyan and God bless. Delta Whiskey 2 Hotel Alpha Delta is now lagging clear 7-3. Delta Uniform 2 Golf Alpha Victor. Manong Larry, magandang gabi po dyan sa San Carlos. Welcome to the DX1 CCNet.
Yeah, DB1 RMC, DU2 Golf Alpha Victor. Yeah, Richard, masanto siya labi sa'yo. Magandang gabi sa lahat. Delta Uniform 2 Golf Alpha Victor, joining and supporting the DX1 CCNet. 7-3, salamat.
Roger that, Manong Larry, likewise, maraming salamat po. Nakadalawa po kayong araw sa akin. Kayo na umaga at ngayong gabi. Maraming salamat po and appreciate. So, ingat palagi dyan. DU2 Golf Alpha Victor of DXC Delta, Deltacom Amateur Radio Club Inc. Dyan sa San Carlos, Pangasinan is now lagging 7-3. Alright, so moving on to the station of Press Blair, DV2HER, magandang gabi dyan sa Rosario, La Union. Welcome to the DX1CC Evening Net. Please go ahead.
Delta Victor 1, Romeo Mike Charlie, Delta Whiskey 2, Hotel Echo Romeo. Ayan, so Richard, magandang gabi. Babati din ako dyan, Press Edfield, Manong Rudy, Papang Rolly, Press Marco, Press Gerald. Sino pa ba? Press Oyo. And belated happy birthday. Or ngayon. Oh, ngayon pa. Ngayon pala. Manong Jansen, kung gising ka pa at naririnig mo. Ayan, walang traffic. Rosario, La Union. Maayos, maliwalas ang buong maghapon. 7-3. Happy Sabado. Mabuhay. Pare, abante.
Kala ko I love you Sabado, pati na rin Linggo eh. Press Blair, maraming salamat for checking in and for supporting our net. Ingat lang dyan, okay? At magandang gabi sa muli. Delta Victor 2 Hotel Echo Romeo, the club president of DX2BSP, calling from Rosario, La Union, is now lagging 7-3. Okay, Kuya Bong, magandang gabi dyan sa Kawayan, 4I2 BOB. Welcome to the DX1CC Evening Net. Call, please go ahead.
Okay, salamat. Babang Richard, magandang gabi rin dyan. Magandang gabi sa lahat. Magandang umaga naman sa Ibayo. For India 2, BOB, Kawayan, Isabela. I just supporting the DX1CC. 73, ang mabuhay. Salamat.
Kaya Sir, kaya Bong, likewise, maraming salamat po for checking in and for supporting our net. At ingat lang dyan, okay? At magandang gabi muli. For India 2 Bravo, Oscar Bravo, of DS2 Alpha Charlie Victor is now logging cleared at 7-3. Okay, second call for stations from District 2 in the Philippines. The X1CC members, honorary members, and while stations can check in anytime. This is DB1RMC, Net Control, standby.
Four Fox 2 Romeo Delta Oscar. 482 RDO.
Hotel 1 Romeo X-Ray Bravo. Hotel 1 Romeo X-Ray Bravo. DX1CC.
Hotel 1 Whiskey Victor Sierra. For Hotel 1 Whiskey Victor Sierra. Joining po.
Okay, all stations, please stand by. All stations, please stand by. I copy the station of Hotel Romeo X-Ray Bravo of the X1CC, Kuya Manny, hold on. And Manong Boyet, between the audience, kunin ko lang si Kuya Jojo at makalaskas yung transmit niya. DB2 Alpha Sierra Whiskey, Kuya Jojo, magandang gabi dyan sa'yo. Please go ahead.
Roger, magandang gabi pang Richard. Just joining on the net, no more traffic, DB2 Alpha Sierra Whiskey 73.
Ayun, lumakas ang audio, parang nagbota. Maraming salamat Kuya Jojo for joining with us today at have a good night, okay? Delta Victor 2 Alpha Sierra Whiskey of the X2 Alpha Charlie Victor calling from Gamo in Isabela is now like 373. Okay, moving on to the station of Manong Boyet for Fox 2 Romeo Delta. Oscar, magandang gabi po dyan. Welcome to the X1CC Evening Net. Call please.
Ayun, magandang gabi, Tito Richard. 4PAX to RDO, stroke DU3. Dito ako sa Tarlac ngayon. Transmitting from all the way from Saragossa, Nueva Ecija. Ayun, with no traffic, just joining and supporting the evening net of DX1CC. More power, mabuhay. 4F2 RDO on QRU 73.
For Hotel 1 QIH. For Hotel 1 Quebec Italy Hotel.
Okay, these stations are trying to check in. Stand by. Okay, as of now, the station of Manong Boyet transmitting from Saragossa and Nueva Ecija. That was a 4PAX to Romeo Delta Oscar /3. Maraming salamat po, Manong Boyet, for checking in and for supporting our net. At ingat palagi dyan, okay? Your station is now logging 373. So, Kuya Ross, got station, hold on. For Hotel 1, Romeo X-Ray Bravo of the X1CC, Kuya Manny, magandang gabi po dyan sa inyo. Welcome to our group sa Evening Net Call. Please go ahead.
DB1 RMC, Tito Richard, magandang gabi din sa'yo. Good evening sa lahat ng stations na nakamonitor. Good evening sa inyong tatlo, paring Red, paring Obet, at classmate Teddy, X-Boys. This is for Hotel 1 Romeo X-Ray Bravo, joining and supporting our club's evening net call. May 73 tol and mabuhay. DB1 RMC for Hotel 1 Romeo X-Ray Bravo. Maraming salamat, Tito Richard. Back to you.
Okay, back to me. Maraming salamat kay Manny, checking in and for supporting our net. Ingat po dyan and God bless. for Hotel 1, Romeo X-ray Bravo of the X1CC calling from Taytay Rizal. It's now lagging 373. Okay, moving on to the station of one of our honorary members from the X3 ARS Marilao, Bulacan. The Whiskey 3, Romeo. Kaya Ross, magandang gabi po dyan sa inyo and welcome to our group sa evening net call. Please go ahead.
Yes, good evening, Tito Richard, DB1RMC for the X1CC. This is Delta Whiskey 3, Radio Rock and Roll for the XCRS. Joining and supporting your net. No more traffic, 7-3. Mabuhay, balik po sa inyo lahat. Ingat po tayo and God bless all.
Oh, bago kayo umalis, on behalf of the X1CC, we would like to wish you a happy birthday in advance para bukas po, Kuya Ross. At bumata po kayo uli ng 1 taon. Ay, maraming salamat po for checking in and for supporting our net. Again, happy birthday po sa inyo para bukas, Kuya Ross. One of our honorary members, Delta Whiskey 3, Romeo, part of the X3 ARS, the Amateur Radio Signal of the Philippines, Marilao, Bulacan, is now line 373. Alright, so last call for stations from District 2 only. I'm calling stations from District 2 in the Philippines. Please come now. DB1RMC, net control, standing by.
Dito, Foxtrot, Echo Charlie, check out. Delta United 2, Foxtrot, Echo Charlie, check in, check out. Salamat, Richard. Good night.
Para enjoyan niya kay Jalad Bravo, DX1CC.
Copy the stations. Hold on, Chart. I copy the station of Camille for check in, check out. That was a Delta Uniform 2, Foxtrot Echo Charlie. Camille, Matsalahay Mabu, and thank you very much for checking in and good night, okay? So your station is now lagging 373. Alright, so we're calling the station of 4 Injoan Yankee Juliet Bravo of the X1CC. Chart, magandang gabi sa iyo dyan. Welcome to our group sa evening net. Please go ahead.
Delta Victor 1, Romeo Mike Charlie for Enjoy Juliet Bravo. Good evening, Tito Richard. Good evening to all fellow hams. Good morning, good afternoon sa mga nasa ibang lagan. For Enjoy Yankee Juliet Bravo, si Richard dito ngayon sa Bansa Cavite. Nakabang na mga labahin. Joining and supporting our evening set. 73, keep safe and blood. Mabuhay, moving forward.
Bago ka matulog, spinin mo ng isa para pag-iisa mo, isasampay mo na lang. Maraming salamat, Chart, for checking in, for supporting our net. At ingatan dyan and enjoy spinning the tub. Right, one of our net consultation for Injo 1 Yankee Juliet Bravo is now lagging 73. Alright, so time check at 2 minutes after the hour. So let's move on for stations from District 3 in the Philippines. The X1CC members, honorary members, and wireless stations can check in anytime. DB1RMC, net control, standing by.
Delta Whiskey 3, Foxtrot Juliet Echo. Delta Whiskey 3, Foxtrot Juliet Echo. Check in, check out. Magandang gabi, Tito Richard.
Delta Whiskey 3, Jet Charlie Romeo. TW3 ICR. Checking in.
Delta Whiskey 3 Mike Yankee India. Delta Whiskey 3 Mike Yankee India.
Check in, check out.
November 6 Delta Oscar Zulu, DX1CC, and 60 OZ, DX1CC. Happy birthday, Mang Jensen.
Ang daya ni Johnson na nag-check-in, check-out. Hindi pwede. Andali. So, the V1RMC na copy the following station. First, the station of Delta Whiskey 3, Foxtrot Juliet Echo, si Kuya Bill for check-in, check-out for support of the X3L, calling from Olongapo City, Zambales. Maraming salamat Kuya Bill for checking in and supporting our net, and have a good night. Delta Whiskey 3, Foxtrot Juliet Echo is now lagging clear, 73. So, copy the station KN6 November Papa Charlie, DW3 ICR, DW3 Mike Yankee India, and 6 Dioset. So, With your indulgence, Tata Rogelio, baka tumakas si Johnson eh. Kilo November 6, November Papa Charlie, happy birthday uli. Please go ahead.
Talaga kapag hindi pinalampas, maraming salamat sa mga bumati at sa mga babati at magandang gabi sa Pilipinas, magandang umaga dito sa US and Canada. Kilo November 6, November Papa Charlie Johnson, transmitting dito sa Pismo Beach, California. No traffic, have a good weekend. Salamat ulit sa mga bumati sa akin. Back to you, Mang Richard.
Good morning. Ayun. Johnson, tulog ka ulit. Ayun, maraming salamat for checking in again. Happy birthday sa'yo. Hope you're doing good and you enjoy celebrating your birthday with your loved ones, okay? And also with your friends there. So again, one of our honorary members, a part of K6 Sierra Fox, calling from California, of course. Kilo, November 6, November, Papa Charlie Snow, Line Kid 73. Right, with the audience, Mama Rudy and Jojo. Dr. Whiskey 3, Charlie Romeo, Tata Rogelio, magandang gabi po dyan sa inyo ni Ate Rhea. Please go ahead.
Likewise, Richard or DB1 RMC. Magandang gabi sa iyo sa buong pamilya. Ganon din dyan sa mga kasama natin dyan sa Longga, sa Sambales. At doon sa may birthday, Jansen, happy birthday, mag-enjoy ka. Enjoy ka minsan lang dumating yan sa isang taon. Ting birthday mo lang. At gano'n din pagbati ko ka dyan kay 4F2, RDO, pasensya na. At ngayon lang kita narinig. Kaninang umaga, hindi tayo nagkarinigan dahil wala ako. Yes. At bati lang muli. Ay, Jojo, narinig ko din yan. At sa ibayong dagat, sa Ilagang Amerika at Canada at sa iba pang mga karatig bansa. TW3I sumusuporta sa ating panggabing lambatan dito sa The Extra 1 CCNet. Wala na akong traffic. Mabuhay tayong lahat and God bless us all. TW3ICR ng Freedom Filipino Network. 29298. Take it back and maraming salamat muli. BB1 RMC 73.
Ayun. Delta Zulu for Echo, okay na ba?
Wala yata
Roger that.
ako.
Ayun, Tata Rogelio, kopya niyo po ako, Tata Rogelio.
Right, tapos na. Tapos na ako.
QSL, ayun.
Hindi yata.
QSL, Tata Rogelio, nakopya ko po kayo. Nawala lang po yung audio ko. Tsaka hindi nag-ano rito nag-advise na meron. So again, maraming salamat Tata Rogelio for checking in and for supporting our net. Your station Delta Whiskey 3 India Charlie Romeo is now lagging cleared 7-3. Delta Whiskey 3 Mike Yankee India, magandang kami dyan sa'yo and balik-bati ka na kay Tata Rogelio. Please go ahead.
Ayun, Delta Victor 1 Romeo Mike Charlie, Delta Whiskey 3 Mike Yankee India. Magandang gabi po sa iyo, Tito Richard. Ayun, balik-bati. Tata Rogelio, magandang gabi po dyan kasama ng yung family circle kay Tito Bill. Ayun, magandang umaga naman kay Tito Jansen. Happy birthday. At kay Tito Rudy, long time no here. Delta Whiskey 3 Mike Yankee India. Checking in, 73.
Roger that, Jojo. Thank you very much for checking in and for supporting our net. Ay, presensya na, Jo. Meron lang akong technical dito na ano. Natatawa ako eh. Again, Joe, thank you very much for checking in and for supporting our net dyan. And have a good night. One of the net control station of the X3L calling from Kabangan in Zambales. Delta Whiskey 3, Mike Yankee, India, Line 373. Mama Rudy, pasensya na, tagalan na. November 6, Delta Oscar Sulu, good morning dyan. Welcome to our group, evening net. Please go ahead.
Delta Victor 1 Romeo Mike Charlie, November 6, Delta Oscar Zulu. Okay lang. Buti nga nakatulog pa ako eh. Hi, hi. Happy birthday ulit, Mang Jansen. Alam ko siguro na patay niya na yung cellphone niya. Ingat na hindi magising yung XOL niya. Hi, hi. Happy birthday! Ayan, bati din dyan. So, good evening pala sa Pilipinas. So, bati dyan kay Tito Jojo, kay Tito Bill, si Mamang Richard, si Tata Rogelio, and of course, sa lahat-lahat po, especially sa mga presidente natin yan. Kaya si Pres Edfield and si Pres Oyo, baka tulog na. Pres Gerald, Pres Blair, Pres Marco, Pres Papang Rolly. And good morning naman dito sa amin and good afternoon to the rest of the world. Pati din dyan kay Beng, hopefully she's feeling better. Pati dyan kay Tina kung nandyan sa bahay. And of course, sa'yo din, Mang Richard. Anyway, checking into the net, kagigising lang din. And mahaba-haba itong weekend namin. Well, for me, dahil kailangan mag-aral, ilang chapters ako behind ng reading. Anyway, balik sa'yo dyan, Mang Richard. Thank you so much for conducting the net and also for acknowledging my station. November 6th, Delta Oscar Zulu from San Bruno, California. Checking in. Ayan. Balik sa'yo dyan. Ingat po palagi. DV1 RMC and 6 DOZ clear. 73 mabuhay moving forward.
QSL, Mama Rudy, I'm sure naririnig ka ni Tina. Andito sa amin sa bahay. Andito ako sa bahay ni Mother. At may lakad kami. At si Tina may lakad. Susundi siya ni Papa niya bukas na maagang-maaga. Anyway, Mama Rudy, thank you very much for checking in and for supporting our net. Ingat lang dyan. November 6. Okay, again, Mama Rudy, thank you very much for checking in and for supporting our net at Tulog Uli. November 6, Data Oscar Sulu, one of our honorary members, the club president of Cleansing Sheriff Fox at San Bruno, California, is now line 73. Okay, another call from Mr. District 3 in the Philippines. Please come now. DB1 RMC, net control standing by.
Delta Yankee 3, Papa November Golf. Delta Yankee 3, Papa November Golf.
Okay, copy station from Malolos, Bulacan. Delta Yankee 3, Papa November Golf. George, magandang gabi niya sa iyo sa Malolos. Welcome to the DX1CC Evening Net Call.
Good evening, Tito Richard. This is Delta Yankee 3, Papa November Golf with Andalok George, joining David Net, at magandang gabi dyan, Tito Rudy, at magandang umaga dyan sa ibang bansa. God bless to all, Tito Richard, QRX.
Roger that. Maraming salamat, George, for checking in and for supporting our net and copy station with Nado Shopee and QRX. Okay. Again, Delta Yankee 3, Papa November Golf of the X3 Hotel, Society of the Philippines Inc., calling from Malolos, Bulacan, is now line 373. Alright, so last call for stations from District 3. Last call is stations from District 3 in the Philippines. Please come now. DB1 RMC, net control, standing by. Okay, calling the station of Dindo, DB3 Papa Delta Charlie, Delta Victor 3 Papa Delta Charlie, RF. Dindo, please go ahead, welcome to the Dex1 CCNet. Okay, thank you very much, Dindo, for checking in and for supporting our net. Ingat lang dyan palagi sa Marilao, okay? Your station Delta Victor 3 Papa Delta Charlie, si Dindo of DXE EVM Scan I, Marilao, Bulacan is now lagging cleared. 3. I checked 15 minutes after the hour, so let's move on for stations from District 4, 5, 6, and 7 in the Philippines. The X1CC members and honorary members and while stations can check in anytime. QR set, DB1RMC, net control, standing by.
Delta Yankee 6, Yankee Alpha India. Delta Yankee 6, Yankee Alpha India. Good evening, Tito Richard.
Delta United 7, Echo Fox 6-Ray. Delta United 7, Echo Fox 6-Ray. Check in, check out.
Delta Whiskey 6, Whiskey X-Ray Lima.
Alright, DB1RMC, Alpha Station, Jufel for check-in, check-out of DU7 X-ray Foxtrot X-ray. Again, DU7 X-ray, DU7 Echo Foxtrot X-ray of DX7 Spur Inc. Labangon in Cebu City or Metro Cebu for checking in and checking out. Okay, your station is now lagging 373. Okay, hold on, Kuya Japet, calling the station of Kuya Sed, Delta Yankee 6 Yankee Alpha India. Welcome to the DX1CC Evening Net Call. Please go ahead.
Sala, Tito Richard, magandang gabi dyan sa lugarin mo. At magandang gabi dyan kay Tito Japet. At sa lahat ng DX1CC, good evening. At all monitoring station, good evening at good morning po sa kabilang ibayo. This is the station of Delta Yankee 6 Yankee Alpha India, said from Iloilo City, supporting the net ng DX1CC. Magandang gabi po, wala pong traffic, 73, mabuhay ka dyan, Tito Richard. Kaninang umaga, nakamonitor ako sa iyo. Mag-check-in sana ako, naabun ako ng malakas na ulan, hindi kita narinig. Pasensya na. Sige po, Tito Richard, back to you at using Hamshack Hotline 94174 po. Back to you, Tito Richard.
Okay, appreciate Kuya Sed. Maraming salamat po sa palaging pagsuporta po ninyo sa mga net calls natin. Maraming salamat po sa inyong dedication sa ating hobby. So, mag-ingat po kayo lagi and God bless. Okay, your station Delta Yankee 6 Yankee Alpha India, calling from Iloilo City is now lagging 373. Ito pang isang palagi nagsusupport sa atin, Kuya Japet. Whiskey 6, Whiskey X-ray Lima. Magandang gabi dyan sa ilo rin. Welcome to the DX1CC Evening Net Call. Please go ahead.
Mayong gabi, Tito Richard. Mayong gabi, Sed. Mayong gabi, tanan nga station on monitor. Delta Whiskey 6, Whiskey X-ray Lima. Joining the net with no traffic, 73 and mabuhay.
Roger that. Maraming salamat po, Kuya Japet, for checking in and for supporting our net. At ingat-ingat lang po palagi dyan. Okay? At have a good night. Pahinga na. So, Delta Whiskey 6 Whiskey X-ray Lima of DX6 Papa Alfa Romeo Panay Amateur Radio Club Inc. Dyan sa Iloilo is now lagging 373. Nauna sa'yo si Jackie kanina. Okay, I would like to call the station of Sister Evelyn. Delta Whiskey 9 Echo Charlie Romeo of DXM Bravo Charlie. Evelyn, magandang gabi dyan sa Butuan City. Welcome to the DX1CC Evening Net Call. Please go ahead.
QSL, DB1 Romeo Mike Charlie, ako yung Richard. Good evening. Thank you for acknowledging my station. Good evening, good morning sa lahat ng monitor. Delta Whiskey 9, Echo Charlie Romeo. Evelyn ng Butuan City. Join in supporting the X1CC Evening Net. No more traffic, 73. God bless, mabuhay. Back to you.
Roger that, back to me. Maraming salamat again for checking in and for supporting our net. Have a good night. DW9 ECR of DSM Bravo Charlie, Butuan City, Mindanao is now cleared 73. Alright, second call for stations from District 4, 5, 6, and 7. The X1CC members, honorary members, and wireless stations can check in anytime. Please queue are set. DB1RMC, net control, standing by. Uy, wala na akong narinig sa 4567. Final call, stations from 4567, please go ahead. Alright, so time check, 20 minutes after the hour. Maraming nakaabang sa District 8 and 9. Sila Kuya Glenn, Kuya Ruben, si Brad Ronald at kung sino-sino pa. So I'm calling stations from District 8 and 9 in the Philippines. This is DB1RMC, net control, standing by.
For Golf 9, Kilo Uniform Golf, 4G9 QG, check in, check out.
Delta Victor 8 Victor Sierra X-ray. Delta Victor 8 Victor Sierra X-ray. Good evening, Richard. Check out lang.
DU8 Alpha Yankee Bravo.
Delta Victor 8 Charlie November Quebec. Check in, check out. Delta Victor 8 Charlie November Quebec. Check in, check out. Good evening, Brad Richard. 73. Mabuhay.
Delta Uniform 8 Bravo Romeo Hotel. DO8 Bravo Romeo Hotel.
Delta Whiskey 8 Charlie Oscar Victor. DW8 Oscar Victor.
DV8 Juliet Oscar November. DV8 Juliet Oscar November. Check in, check out. Good evening, Kuya Richard.
Okay, all stations, please stand by. All stations, please stand by. DB1RMC net control, acknowledge first the following stations for check-in, check-out. Station of Grift, 4 Golf 9 Kilo Uniform Golf, followed by Delta Victor 8 Victor Sierra X-ray, si Kuya Ramil, and the station of Brad Ronald, Delta Victor 8 Charlie November Quebec, and lastly the station of Kuya Jong, DB8 Juliet Oscar November. Maraming salamat po for checking in and for supporting our net. Have a good night, and your stations are now logging clear to 73. Okay, please stand by. Delta Whiskey Charlie Oscar Victor and DU8 Bravo Romeo Hotel. Calling the station of Kuya Glenn. DU8 Alpha Yankee Bravo. Magandang gabi dyan. Welcome to the DX1CC Evening Net. Please go ahead.
Good evening sa lahat. DU8 Alpha Yankee Bravo. Checking in, supporting the net. 73 ang mabuhay. Salamat, Amping Kanunay.
QSL, Kuya Glenn, maraming salamat likewise for checking in and for supporting our net. Amping Kanunay, your station DU8 Alpha Yankee Bravo of DX8 Sulis Mayerly, Dipolog City is now line cleared 73. DU8 Bravo Romeo Hotel. Kuya Ruben, magandang gabi po dyan sa Dipolog. Welcome to the DX1CC Evening Net.
Delta Victor 1 Radio Mike Charlie DO8 Bravo Romeo Hotel. Good evening by Richard. Good evening all stations by Glenn. Mayang gabi. Supporting the net, negative traffic. Maraming salamat by Richard. 73. God bless and mabuhay. Ingat-ingat.
Roger that, Kuya Ruben. Likewise, maraming salamat po for checking in and supporting our net. Ingat din po kayo dyan and God bless. DU8 Bravo Romeo Hotel of DX8 of Foxtrot Alpha Romeo for 8 at Dipolog City is now lying cleared as 73. Delta Whiskey Charlie Oscar Victor, Kuya Ampi, magandang gabi po dyan sa Isabela City. Welcome to the DX1CC Evening Net.
Likewise, magandang gabi Kuya Richard. Delta Whiskey Charlie Oscar Victor, joining and supporting the DX1CC Evening Net. No traffic. Back to you.
Alright, back to me. Maraming salamat kay Ampi po sa palaging pag-suporta po ninyo sa ating mga ugnayan pangipapawid. Ingat po kayo dyan at pagpalain po kayo. Delta Whiskey Charlie Oscar Victor of DX8WMG sa City, Basilan is now lagging clear the 7-3. Second call for stations from District 8 and 9 in the Philippines, DX1CC members and honorary members and wireless stations can check in anytime. DB1C Net Control, standing by.
4 Echo 8 Juliet Gold 4E8 JG.
Yankee 8 Charlie.
Delta Yankee Charlie Papa. Delta Yankee Charlie Papa Delta.
4 Golf 1, Foxtrot Sierra Lima. 4 Golf 1, Foxtrot Sierra Lima. Check in, check out. Magandang gabi, Richard.
Alright, the DB1 RMC, Net Control. Likewise, Nesto, magandang gabi dyan. And thank you very much for joining with us today. So, copy station 4G1 of Foxtrot Sierra Lima of the X1CC. Check in, check out. And transmitting from General Trias, Cavite. One of our net control station is now lagging to the 7-3. So, copy the following station. First is station of Tito Jaime, Mami Romy, and Kuya Boom. First, for Echo 8 Juliet Gold, Tito Jaime, magandang gabi po dyan. Welcome to the DX1CC Evening Net Call. Please go ahead.
Good evening, Tito Richard, and good evening, fellow hams. 4 Echo 8 Juliet Gold, joining and supporting the DX1CC Net with no traffic 73, and keep safe always, Tito Richard, and good night.
Naantok na si Tito Jaime. Tito Jaime, maraming salamat po for checking in, for supporting our net. Likewise po, God bless at mag-ingat kayo palagi. And have a good night, alright? For Echo 8 Juliet Golf of DX8 Zulu Mike Charlie, or DX8 Zulu Charlie Spark 8 Inc. Basilan is now clear 7-3. Okay, moving on to the station, Mami Romy, DY8 CMM, magandang gabi dyan, Mami Romy. Welcome to the DX1CC Evening Net. Please go ahead.
DB1 RNC, Mami Richard, good evening, at good evening kay Mami Edpil. Shout out dyan sa live. The station of DY8 CMM, supporting the net 7-3, good night. Mwah, mwah.
Ayun, Ma'am. Likewise, Mami Romy, thank you very much for checking in, for supporting our net. Ingat lang dyan. Your station data Yankee Charlie Mike of DX8WMG. Zamboanga City is now lying to the 7-3. Data Yankee Charlie Papa Delta, Kuya Boom, magandang gabi dyan sa Zamboanga City. Welcome to the DX1CC Evening Net.
QSL Control, maraming salamat sa pag-acknowledge sa akong estasyon. This is Delta Yankee Charlie Papa Delta with Dandalo Boom. It's Bravo Oscar Mike, transmitting from Zamboanga City, Philippines with a club station of DX8 Zulu Charlie. With negative traffic pa sumusuporta lang sa DX1CC. 73, back to you, Control, and buenas noches.
QSL, maraming salamat kay Boom for checking in and for supporting our net. Ingat lang dyan sa Zamboanga City, okay? Delta Yankee Charlie Papa Delta of DX8 Zulu Charlie Spark 8 Inc. is now lying to 70. Ayun, naalala ko na kanina station na nag-join sa atin. Mayroon siyang nagkamali siya sa sinabi niya sa akin. Instead na QRU or QRX, sinabi niya QRO. Ibig sabihin po, sa hindi po nakakaalam, ang ibig sabihin ng QRO is increased power. Yung po yung kabaligtar ng QR Papa. Low power naman po yan. Ayun lang po, pinaalala ko lang po. Okay, last call for stations from District 8 and 9 in the Philippines. DB1 RMC, Net Control standing by. ay nag-transmit walang audio. So, last call for stations from District 8 and 9 in the Philippines. Last call stations from District 8 and 9 in the Philippines. DB1 RMC Net Control standing by. Alright, so wala akong narinig sa 8 and 9. So, time check, 30 minutes after the hour. So, let's move on for stations from, hold on. 4 Golf 9 na Kilo Oscar Juliet, 4 Golf 9 Kilo Oscar Juliet. Jeff, please go. Walang audio kanina. Last call, station 4 Golf 9 Kilo Oscar Juliet. Jeff, please go ahead. Okay, nothing heard, but we will lag your station. 4 Golf 9 Kilo Oscar Juliet. Calling from Valencia City in Bukidnon. Your station is now lagging 373. Okay, I'm calling stations from anywhere, any mode. Calling stations from anywhere, any mode. DB1 RMC Net Control standing by.
Or Fox 1, Charlie.
Check in, check out. Good morning, Richard.
For Fox 1, Charlie Echo, Whiskey, check in, check out. Good evening, Tito Richard.
Delta Whiskey 7, November Kilo, DW7, NNK.
Hotel Sulu, stroke 4 India 1 Papa Queen Sulu.
Delta Whiskey 2 Kilo Hotel Alpha. Check in, check out.
For Golf 1, Golf Echo Hotel, check in, check out. For Golf 1, Golf Echo Hotel, check in, check out. Salamat po.
Delta Whiskey Charlie Papa Bravo. Delta Whiskey Charlie Papa Bravo. Check in, check out. Good evening, Kuya Richard.
For Golf 1, Charlie Hotel. For Golf 1, Chicken Check Out Hotel. Good evening, neighbor.
Hotel Sulu, stroke 4 Golf 1, Hotel Echo Lima, Hotel Sulu, stroke 4 Golf 1, Hotel Echo Lima. Check in, check out. Happy Saturday.
Okay, DB1 Net Control. Acknowledge first the following stations for check-in, check-out. First, the station of Atito, November 8, Delta Mike Alpha, Kentucky Sheriff Foxtrot, calling from Oxnard, California. Followed by Quiroli, Luz Plaza 4G1 Hotel Echo Lima, calling from Jeddah. Magandang hapon po dyan. Okay, maraming salamat for checking in and for supporting our network station sa Arna Lagi 373. Okay, copy the following station. First, this station of Kuya Allen, Kuya Ronan, si Emon pala, check-in, check-out then. Hold on. Copy station Delta Whiskey 8, Charlie Papa, Kuya Chu, 4G1, CCH, si neighbor. So, I would like to acknowledge the station of Emon for check-in, check-out the 4 Golf 1 Golf Echo Hotel 1 of the Net Control Station of DX1 ARC, Marikina City. Emon, maraming salamat for checking in. Your station is now lagging 373. So, hold on na. Kukunin ko lang si Kuya Ricky. Asan yung stroke mo ulit? Pakibalik yung stroke. Kuya Ricky, si 4 India 1 Papa Queen Sulu. Okay, balikan
Si
kita.
Joey
So,
Tong, for India, Papa Queen Sulu, ang transmitting over Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. Stroke del Sulu.
sorry, okay, Joey. Okay, so, for check-in, check-out ba? Okay, please
Check-in,
stand by.
check-out,
So,
good
calling
evening
this...
dyan, Pilipinas.
Roger that. Okay, salamat sa pagbalik, Kuya Joey. So, that was the station of Hotel Zulu Stroke for Injuan Papa Queen Zulu, Kuya Joey of DX1 Bravo, Batangas Amateur Radio Group, dyan sa Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. So, maraming salamat for checking in and for supporting our net. Magandang hapon dyan. The station is now logging cleared, 7-3. Okay, 4-1 Charlie Echo Whiskey, Kuya Allen, please God, welcome to the DX1 CC Net.
Ayun, good evening Tito Richard. Ito po ang stasyon ng 4-1 Charlie Echo Whiskey. Just supporting yung joining din lang po. 73, magandang gabi.
Kuya Allen, maraming salamat for checking in and supporting DX1CC Evening Net for Pax1 Charlie Echo Whiskey of DX1 EBM scan here in Quezon City is now logging code 73. DW7 NNK Ronan, magandang gabi dyan. Welcome to the DX1CC Evening Net.
QSL by Richard, good evening. Good evening to all station on monitor. Maulan po dito sa Dumaguete City. Then meron din kasamang hangin. No other traffic, just supporting the net 73 and mabuhay. Dagang salamat by Richard.
Yes, nakita ko yung directional ni Isle na bali, yung twin niya. Twin 9 ba yun? Anyway, Ronan, thank you very much for checking in and for supporting our net. Ingat lang dyan, okay? Delta Whiskey 7, November Kilo of DX7 HQ, Dumaguete City is now line 73. DW Charlie Papa Bravo, Kuya Chu, magandang gabi po dyan. Welcome to the DX1CC Evening Net. Please go ahead.
Kuya Richard, good evening fellow. Delta Whiskey, Charlie Papa Bravo, transmitting all the way from Zamboanga City, joining and supporting the X1CC Evening Net. No power traffic, 73 and mabuhay.
QSL, Kuya Chu, maraming salamat for checking in and for supporting our net. Capri Station with no other traffic. Your station, the Whiskey Charlie Papa Bravo of the X8 Zulu Charlie Spark 8 Inc. Zamboanga City Portable is now line 37. For Golf 1 Charlie Hotel Neighbor, maraming salamat sa paghihintay. Welcome to the DX1 CC Net.
Ayun, DB1 RMC for DX1 CC. Magandang gabi, Neighbor Richard. Magandang gabi sa lahat. For Golf 1 Charlie Hotel. Sumusuporta lang sa DX1CC, 73, mabuhay. Maraming salamat. DB1 RMC, 4-1, Charlie Hotel.
Right. Neighbor Boji, thank you very much for checking in and for supporting our net. Capri Station with no other traffic. Ingat lang dyan. For Golf 1, Charlie Hotel of Major Communication calling from Fairview in Quezon City is now logging 73. Right, the second call for stations from anywhere, any mode. Any stations calling in from anywhere, any mode. DB1 RMC, net control standing by.
For Golf 8, OST, Victoria.
Charlie, Kilo Golf 6, Victor Golf, Charlie, check in, check out. Good evening, Richard.
For Golf 1, Golf Papa Yankee.
408 Whiskey Mike Alpha. 408 Whiskey Mike Alpha for the net.
GIU, DV2, GIU.
Delta Whiskey 6 Whiskey Quebec Delta Whiskey 6 Whiskey
DW2
Quebec
Kilo
Delta
Golf
check in
Golf.
check out good evening
DW2 Kilo Golf Golf.
For Golf 8, Whiskey Victoria.
Okay, hold on station. This is DB1 RMC. Copy, acknowledge first the check-in, check-out station Petito Albert. Kilo Golf 6 Victor Golf Charlie of Ken 6 Sheriff Foxtrot, Los Angeles in California. Magandang umaga po dyan, Tito Albert, and thank you very much for checking in. Your station is now line K73. Copy the station of Kuya Nick, another Kuya Albert, Chris, Manong Benji, si Kuya Michael. Please stand by po. Tatawagin ko lang po si Delta Whiskey 2 Kilo Golf Golf. Pakibalik po ang inyong pangalan po at saka po saan po ang QTH natin. Kung meron po kayong amateur club, kasabi kayo. DB1 RMC po ito, si Richard.
Kuya Richard, magandang gabi. Ito si Delta Whiskey 2 Kilo Golf Golf. Ang handle po ay Gab or Gabriel ng DX3 Latitude. Dito po ako sa Urdaneta, Pangasinan. Sumusuporta lang po sa evening net ng DX1CC. At magandang gabi po sa lahat at 73.
Roger that. Maraming salamat sa pagbalik, Gab, and for supporting our net. Ingat dyan sa Urdaneta, Pangasinan. Okay. Sorry, station Delta Whiskey 2 Kilo Golf Golf of DX3L, Urdaneta, Pangasinan is now lying 3-73. Moving on to the station of Kuya Nick, for GW Victor. Welcome to the DX1CC net.
Ayun, by Richard, mayang gabi sa imo at mayang gabi ipod kay Madam Tina. Ug sa tanan na diri magandang gabi for Golf 8 Whiskey Victor joining the net, no traffic 73 og daghan kay salamat by Richard.
Roger that. Maraming salamat at Kuya Nick, ano uli yung club natin?
JSL DX8 Core.
Okay. Kasama mo sila June, tsaka sila James anyway, got it. For Golf 8 Whiskey Victor, si Kuya Nick pa DX8 Core, calling from General Santos City. Maraming salamat Kuya Nick for checking in and for supporting our net. Your station is now lying 73. For 38 Whiskey Mike Alpha, Kuya Albert, magandang gabi dyan. Welcome to the DX1CC Evening Net.
Yosela, Kuyang Richard, magandang umaga sa iyo. Ngayon din sa lahat, good morning naman, US and Canada. For 38 Whiskey Mike Alpha Albert, Jensen, DX8 Hotel. Joining and supporting the DX1 Charlie Evening Net, negative traffic, 73, mabuhay. Moving forward. Salamat.
Roger that, Kuya Albert. Likewise, maraming salamat po for checking in and for supporting our net. Ingat po dyan at magandang gabi muli. For 38 Whiskey Mike Alpha of DX8 Hotel is now lying 373. For Golf 1 Golf Papa Yankee, DX1CC Chris, magandang gabi dyan sa General Trias. Welcome to our group's evening net. Call, please go ahead.
DB1 Romeo Mike Charlie for Golf 1 Golf Papa Yankee. Good evening, Vice Richard and Press Ed Bill. Good evening, fellow hams, and good morning to US and Canada. This is the station of 4 Golf 1 Golf Papa Yankee with a handle of Chris, transmitting from the city of Gentry. With further traffic, just joining and supporting our club's evening net. 73 and Buhay. TV1 RMC 4 Golf 1 Golf Papa Yankee. Back to you, Vice.
Ayun, maraming salamat Chris for tuning in and for regularly supporting our net. Ingat lang palagi dyan and have a good night. For Golf 1 Golf Papa Yankee of DX1CC calling from General Trias Cavite is now lying 3-73. Delta Victor 2, Juliet India Uniform. Manong Benji, magandang gabi po dyan sa Urdaneta. Welcome to the DX1CC Evening Net.
Good evening, Kuyang Richard. Good evening, all station. Delta Vector 2 Juliet India Uniform, joining and supporting the DX1CC ending net 73.
Maraming salamat. Thank you for checking in and for supporting our net. Your station Delta Victor 2 Juliet India Uniform of DX3L or Daneta Pangasinan is now line cleared 3. Delta Whiskey 6 Whiskey Quebec Delta. Kuya Michael, magandang gabi po dyan sa Silay City. Welcome to the DX1CC net. Please go ahead.
Likewise, good evening by Richard. Good morning naman po sa Ibayong Dagat. Delta Whiskey 6 Whiskey Quebec Delta, Michael. Sumusuporta lang po sa gabing ng bata ng DX1CC net. At 73, mabuhay. Maulan pa rin dito sa area ng Negros. Magandang gabi po sa lahat.
Roger that. Ingat dyan, Kuya Michael, at maraming salamat sa patuloy na pagsuporta ninyo sa mga ugnayan pang ipapawid ng DX1CC. So, God bless, Delta Whiskey 6 Whiskey Quebec Delta of DX6 Romeo Alpha November Rain Inc. at sa Silay City, Negros Occidental, Store Line 373. Okay, 46 minutes after the hour, so last call for acknowledgement only. Last call for acknowledgement only. DB1RMC standing by.
DW3 Bravo Pax Whiskey, DW3 Bravo Pax Whiskey.
Delta Victor 8 Whiskey Mike Tango. Delta Victor 8 Whiskey Mike Tango. Good evening, kay Richard. Mabuhay tayong lahat. Moving forward.
Delta Whiskey 2 Kilo Hotel Alpha. DW2KJ. Check in, check out. Good evening, Manu Richard.
4 Fox 0X.
Okay, DB1RC copy 4 stations. So, first station of Delta Whiskey 3 Bravo Fox Whiskey, si Kuya Arvel, followed by Press Marco, one of our honorary members, also the club president of the X8 Hotel. That was Delta Victor 8 Whiskey Mike Tango, followed by Ian, Delta Whiskey 2 Kilo Alpha of DX2 Alpha Alpha Alpha, Bayambang Pangasinan. And of course, the station of Kuya Rolly, the club president of Freedom Filipino Network Inc., Santiago City, Isabela. That was 4PAC0X. And of course, our logger, Delta Zulu for Echo, si Press Ed Phil. Mamaya, kaway-kaway dyan. Pag nakatingin kayo sa monitor ninyo, nasa lower left siya ng inyong monitor. Okay, maraming salamat for checking in and for supporting our evening net. At have a good night. Your stations are lagi to the 7-3. Okay, another call for any stations from anywhere, any mode, acknowledgement only. For acknowledgement only, DB1RMC, net control standing by.
Mike 7 Lima Alpha Golf, Mike 7 Alpha Golf, checking in, checking out, 7-3, have a blessed weekend. Salamat po, and mabuhay. This is Mike 7 Lima Alpha Golf, standing by.
Alright, copy 1 station level Luder, Mike 7 Lima Alpha Golf. Thank you, Luder, for checking in and for supporting our net your station M7LAG of NB6 Kilo and DX2 Alpha Alpha coming from London, UK. Is now logging to the 7-3. Okay, time check. Our QTR, so 9 minutes after the hour. Last call for any stations or from anywhere, any mode. Last call for acknowledgement only. Last call, please go ahead. DB1RMC, net control, standing by.
For Golf 1, Romeo X-Ray Echo for QSP lang, over.
Go ahead, Kuya Teddy.
Ayun, check-in, check-out daw for India 1, November, Tango, Tango, over.
Roger that, okay. Thank you very much, Kuya Teddy for the QSP. Kuya Nick, kamusta ka na, Kuya Nick? So, Calcio Station, one of the net control station of the X1 ERT, Taytay Rizal, that was for India 1, November, Tango, Tango. So, maraming salamat, Kuya Nick, for checking in. Your station is now logging to 73. I think we'll call final call for any more stations from anywhere. Acknowledge, please go ahead. DB1RMC is still listening.
Whiskey 6, Strobe Delta Whiskey 3, Hotel Lima, India, check in, check out.
Romeo Foxtrot Oscar, Kilo 7, Romeo Foxtrot Oscar, check in, check out, salamat.
Alright, at dito na nagtatapos kay Tito Gilbert ang ating ugnayan pang papawid ngayong gabi dito sa Pilipinas. So, I copy the following station. First station of Manong Henry, Whiskey 6 / Delta Whiskey Hotel Lima, India, calling from Chula Vista in California. Good morning po dyan. And lastly, the station of Tito Gilbert, calling from Las Vegas in Nevada. That was Kilo 7, Romeo Foxtrot Oscar, City to Gilbert. So, thank you very much to all of you or to both of you for checking in and supporting the DX1CC Evening Net Call. Ingat po kayo dyan. So, your stations are now lagi cleared at 7-3. Okay, time check. Our QTR is 51 minutes after the hour. So, to all our guests and members, and of course, for the 101 or 101, including my station, maraming salamat po and for sharing your time with us and for supporting the X1CC Evening Net Call. And we hope to hear from you again for the next edition of the net. The DX1CC Net Call is now closed. Frequency 145.780 MHz and all other links are now back to regular amateur conversation. Please observe proper amateur call and procedure. On behalf of the X1CC, this is Delta Victor 1 Romeo Mike Charlie Richard, along with Delta Super Echo, si President Phil saying stay safe, God bless us all, and happy weekend. Again, thank you very much, and 7-3, frequency clear. Goodbye.